Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your card off Draftkings. So what you need to do, for example, if you're using a desktop or a laptop, just log into your Draftkings account, click on the profile photo in the top right hand corner, and select account information from the drop down menu that actually appears. So on the left hand panel, what you want to do is click on Financial Center, and then what you want to do is you want to click on Payment Methods. So you want to go ahead and actually click on the payment method you would actually like to remove. And then, for example, if it's a credit card, click on that payment method and then click on Remove Payment Method. Then just click on Delete to confirm that you'd actually like to remove this payment method. And you will see a confirmation that your payment method has actually been removed. And you can as well do this from the DraftKings Sportsbook or Casino app. Just tap on your profile photo in the top right hand corner, tap Financial Center, tap on Statements and Transactions. Then you want to click on the Payment Methods tab. And then, of course, guys, you want to choose the payment method you would like to remove. And then just tap on the Remove Payment Method option and just click on Delete to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. And you will basically see a confirmation that your payment method has been removed. And it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.